Okay, I was just going to do a quick review over transformations on functions, and here's just three functions that typically people know in algebra. There's more. I just picked these three, but this one's a parabola, and we go through 0, 0, and you 1. There you go. And, oh boy, sorry, got a whack there. All right, so you know your general shape there. Absolute function, absolute value function goes through 0, 0, and again 1, 1, negative 1, 1, but it's a v. And again, if you're not sure, you can always sub in values. And your square root function would go through 0, 0. Square root of 1 is also 1. Square root of 4 is 2. So again, you know, most people kind of have that general shape. So those are just three of them. Now, transformations is when we don't have the main function, but something like it. So say I give you x plus 3 squared. This is similar to this function, except we have that plus 3. So what does that do to the function? Well, whatever causes 0 here, so negative 3 causes 0, is your shift on your x. So basically, this function is going to be the same as this, but it's going to be shifted 3 to the left. So if I went 1, 2, there's 3. Again, the shape of it as far as 1, 1, that part, that's all consistent. But it's just, I took that graph and I shifted it 3 to the left. If I have this one, it's going to be the same thing. If I did that, except it'd be this guy shifted, and same here. Say I give you, oh, I don't want to use that. Let's use m of x. And let's say it's the absolute value of x minus 5. All right, so that's going to be my absolute value function. And notice what causes 0 here if I have a positive 5. So this is going to be a shift of 5 units over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, still over 1, up 1. That part hasn't changed. It's only been shifted. Now, that's because, again, it's impacting the x. So that's why the shift is on the x-axis. If I have a function where it's outside from the x, so like this one, all right, then if you look at this, this is my square root function, but notice I've added 3. So that's going to not, the input is just getting square rooted like normal, I guess, if that's a word. So it's after you get an answer to this that you add the 3. So that shift is on your output or on your y-axis. It's out by the y value, so it's impacting the y-axis. So if I go, that one's gets kind of crowded up there, but say here's a graph, and let's see, my original, you know, somewhere in here. All right, so 1, 2, 3. My new one is going to be 1, 2, 3 right there. And again, same shape, you know, and that might be not perfect, sorry about that. But again, it's only been shifted up 3. And you could have a function that does both, you know, so there's nothing saying you couldn't have a p of x where you have, say the square root of, or not the square root, sorry, x plus 3 squared minus 1. And again, that's going to take that parabola and it's going to shift it back 3, but down 1. So it's going to go back 3, down 1, right there. And again, the general shape is the same. It's just shifted back 3 because that's what causes 0 here, and down 1. Now, if there's coefficients in front here, then it's going to change the shape as far as either more open, more closed, more stretched out, things like that. So that would impact that. But this is just a quick review for you.